If your dishwasher is starting to smell, cleaning the drain filter is a good first step. Remove the bottom rack and twist out the filter. Then wash the filter with dish soap and warm water. Use a bottle brush to scrub out any hard-to-reach spots. Take all the racks out of the dishwasher and scrub the inner walls and door with a rag or brush soaked in hot, soapy water to remove built-up grease and grime. Then clean the racks in your sink. Don't forget to wipe down the door gasket, which can also accumulate smelly dirt and food particles. To freshen up your whole dishwasher quickly, set 1 cup, 240 milliliters of white vinegar in the top rack and run a full cycle with no other dishes in the washer. Then sprinkle a layer of baking soda over the bottom of the dishwasher and run it again. These 2 common household products will help break down lingering odors and grease. If your dishwasher still doesn't smell right, it could have an issue such as a blocked drain hose or a poor electrical connection preventing it from running properly. You may need to call a professional to take care of the problem.